In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for projects in Hubstaff. If you're working with multiple teams, clients, or assignments inside Hubstaff, being able to quickly find the right project can save you a lot of time. Instead of scrolling through a long list, you can use the project search area to narrow things down fast and get exactly where you need to go. I'll walk you through the process in a simple and clear way. To begin, make sure you're logged into Hubstaff and that you're on the main workspace where your organization and project tools are available. From there, look toward the project management section in the sidebar or navigation panel. First, click the back arrow, shown as the keyboard arrow left icon in the project management area. This helps you move within the navigation so you can access the correct section. If your menu is collapsed or partially hidden, this is a useful way to make sure you're seeing the options you need. Take a moment here to confirm that the navigation panel is visible and easy to use before moving on. Next, click on Projects. This will take you to the main projects page, where Hubstaff displays the list of projects connected to your workspace. This is the area where you can review, manage, and locate project entries. If you have a lot of active projects, this page can feel busy at first, so using the search feature is especially helpful. Once you're on the projects page, click on the Search Project field. This is the search box designed specifically to help you locate a project by name. After selecting the field, you can begin typing the name of the project you want to find. As you type, Hubstaff will usually filter the list, so matching project names appear more quickly. This makes it much easier to jump directly to the correct project without manually scanning the full page. When using the search box, try entering the most recognizable part of the project name if you're not sure of the exact full title. That can often help you find results faster. Also, typing carefully can reduce the chance of missing the project because of a spelling variation. And that's it. To search for projects in Hubstaff, you simply open the Project Management navigation, go to Projects, and click into the Project Search field to start searching. It's a quick process, but it can make navigating a busy workspace much more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.